guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I'm back again with a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look, which is I will be using foundation, which is this one. This is like the 38 spicy brown. This is one shade darker to my skin, but I really want to apply this. I like this one. I've got two more foundations, which is this one. This is like one shade lighter. This is 330 toffee, and my perfect shade is this one. I apply this whenever I go out. This is 335 classic tan. I love this. It's my perfect match. And yeah, I don't use it anymore, but then I mix it with this when I want match my skin tone. Yeah, that's when I use both of them, but today I want to go a bit darker, so I'm gonna use this one. And also I'm going to be showing you this powder, which is by Maybelline Fit Me Again, and it's in the shade Toffee 330. So this is like one shade lighter. 330 is this one. So when I apply this, it looks one shade lighter. It looks a little light. I would love to have one shade darker than this, but I wasn't able to find it, so I stuck to this and I bought it. Like, this is my second purchase or third purchase, I'm not sure, but yeah, this is all it looks like. So these are the start products of this video today, so let's get started. So first thing, I'm gonna color correct my skin. Okay, forgot to bring a headband. Once again, you guys, let me bring the headband. Okay, here I am with the headband. Now I'm gonna quickly color correct my face. I'm gonna use this red lipstick, which is by the brand Maybelline, Blue Heaven, and in the shade Cherry Red R002. This is the shade, in case if you wanna buy. This is perfect for like color correcting. You can also apply it on your like lips. Okay, okay, I've got like pimple marks. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead with foundation. Okay, this is the foundation brush. It's by the brand Pack 231. I'm gonna use this with this foundation. Okay, my hair. So this is 338 spicy brown. Sometimes being a little more tan looks really cool, very girly, and it looks very natural, especially natural. That's why I like it. So I'm gonna simply blend this makeup. It doesn't even look like I've got makeup on. I'm gonna use a little more. I don't know, I think this like darker foundation does not give any coverage. That's how it looks like. Well, okay. This is how I look with makeup, and without makeup, look how I don't like my face without makeup. I love my face with makeup. Okay, it's time to apply on the other side. Okay. I don't like drag it, I just dab it slowly. I forgot one more thing. I forgot to bring my mirror. Oh, anyways. Okay. My forehead looks a bit more red. Let me just have a little more foundation so I can cover this redness. So guys, I am done with the foundation and this is how my face looks like now. It's time for the powder, and I'm gonna use the same brush. I've got a powder brush, but I really want to use this one. So yeah, I'm gonna just simply powder is very important after you apply foundation, because if you don't apply powder, your foundation can crease, but powder prevents that. So never skip powder. It's really important. I'm done with powder. So this is how my face looks like now. It is time for eyeliner. Let me get the mirror. Okay. Alright. Now I'm gonna apply this eyeliner really quick. To me, the most important thing is having eyeliner, like eye makeup on, because this is what is gonna make your face look so nice. I mean, it depends upon like which feature of your face you wanna enhance, and I always choose to do with my eyes. Okay guys, I am done with eyelining. So guys, I'm done with eyelining of my eyes. Now I'm gonna do kajal on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna use this kajal. Oh, I forgot to show you which eyeliner I used. I used Lakme Instant Water Liner. So this is how it looks like. It's by the brand Lakme. And I'm gonna use this kajal. It's by the brand Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. It's not a smudge proof kajal. It smudges really badly. So yeah, I don't apply like over here. I only apply the inside. If I apply it over like here to show it off, I have like eyeliner over it, so it does not smudge. So I hope you got it. Anyway, so I'm gonna quickly Nykaa says that this kajal is smudge proof. It does not smudge. It's all a lie. It smudges. Look at that shit thing happens. Okay. This is how my eye look with kajal and without kajal. Let me know which look you like, with the kajal or without the kajal. Oh yeah, just let me know in the comments down below. I usually like to have just eyeliner on. It's like really long eyeliner, but sometimes I feel like cutting down the wing and having like kajal on the lower lash line. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead with this eye. Yeah, let me just check it out. Okay, that's it for this eyeliner look. So I am done with the eyes, and now it's time for the blush. Should I go for the blush or should I not? Okay, let me just take this off. It gives me a headache, you guys. So I don't know, I'm not really liking my face at all. I think I should go with the blush. And I'm gonna use the red one today. This is the only area where I like a little bit of color. Otherwise I want very natural looking makeup. So I really don't want to go overboard with the blush. I'm just gonna keep it really natural looking. So yeah, it's time for lipstick. Oh, forgot about the brush. This brush is by the brand Pack, 245, and this makeup palette I bought from Gafar Market. It's fake MAC. I bought from Gafar Market for only 250 or something. So I bought it like 5 years back. I still use it. Yeah, the next thing I want to use is lipstick. Of course, I've done with all the products. So the only left is lipstick, and this is the lipstick I'm going to be using today. It's by the brand Lakme, and in the shade 19 Nude Twist. So yeah, it's a little bit lighter. I mean, it would have been better if they would have made something a bit darker, so it matches my skin really well. But anyways, I think they have a lot of like nude lipsticks like on the website. Let me check it out today. I think I should. Yeah, I always end up buying wrong products online, especially because I'm a dark skinned. Yeah, that's the only reason I mess up. Otherwise, all other products are really perfect for Indian skin tone people. I mean, people who are like towards yellow, you can rock anything basically, because all of the products are made for yellow skin people, not for the brown or black. So yeah, that's the problem, and I always end up wasting my money on raw products, but I still use it. I mean, I give some of them to my mom. My mom is really towards light. So yeah, let's go with this lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna use my screen as a mirror. This is how I look, you guys. So this is the completed makeup, and yeah, I love like nude lipsticks. I don't like colorful lipsticks that much. I might like, when I'm in mood, I might go with red lipstick or pink, but usually I love nudes so much, and I think nude lipsticks looks really nice on me. So yeah, this is how the makeup looks like, you guys. This is the entire look, and this is how my face looks like with this foundation, which is the 38 Spicy Brown. It's a really good foundation, and yeah, I've got more makeup videos on my channel. I've got a playlist where I've got haul videos, fashion videos, hairstyle, buns, makeup, get ready, makeup and get readies in one playlist. So yeah, and I've got like fit vlogs. I've got playlists for every single niche on my channel. So yeah, you can check it out. More makeup videos if you wanna see me. Okay, so you guys, I need to talk a little lower because everyone is home, like on my family. So like my mom and dad and my brother, so I don't want them to hear me talk to a camera. So yeah, anyways, so you guys, let me move back the camera and show you my face. Yeah, you guys, that is it for this beautiful makeup. Okay, my next video is going to be about like Sarjinagar haul or something related to that, so make sure you don't miss it, and I'll post that video today. Yes, today itself. Today's Saturday, I guess. Yeah, today's Saturday. So I'll be posting another like couple more videos today. It's about like Sarjinagar and stuff like that. Also in the night I'll do like a hair tutorial. So make sure you subscribe my channel, and if you haven't, and if you have subscribed, then keep an eye on the channel. I'm gonna be posting videos, or hit the bell icon so you don't miss any videos. And you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon next time.